We are here at Balay Camiña, a 153-year-old house. Bell once and wait for a minute. Let's explore the house and see what we have here. Wow, it's a cultural curio.
Those are the poems where we would normally gather during the Angelus and play the Angelus. So that's where you live.
Try na doon ang sideways siya kaysa muna mga why they are wearing long skirts. So muna siya purpose yung ways in the sideways. So masaka kita and i-try na doon ang sideways. So sige, sino ka?
Imaginein mo na nakadress ka. May kipi-kipi. So they're doing the sideways step up the principal escalera.
Sa una, kung ilustrado ka, ilustrado mo na nun, kung magaranan sa muna, hindi ka ginagaling, kaya way back Spanish time, mayara ka discrimination, so kung mo tayo sa muna dito ka lang sa talong, kung magaranan ka, of course, dili sila. Okay? So, also, both sides, makita nyo mayara dito, left and right. So, both sides are both private room. Kaga presently, ang mga rooms na natin, namin magiging ng fourth generation owner, kaya magiging nila ang balay. So, babae, nakita nyo sa video, sila ng fourth generation owner, Mr. and Mrs. Camiña. So, sila na. Nanagtanan yung mga items na makita nyo dito sa second floor sa balay are not for sale. Mga preserved na, tanan. Yes, sila na. Mr. and Mrs. Camiña. Oratorio, family prayer nila. Matang sa Bible. Biblia.
Wow.
Ako na sila ang fourth generation owner sa Pure Fame. Fourth and fifth generation owner.
The Avancenia family. Ano ni siya nga year?
Presently lang naman mga fourth generation owner.
A fourth generation.
Then, Avancenia, Tumilacoton, to Camiña, and then pagka-fourth na Camiña siya. Kaya ang second and third babaeng owner, then pagka-fourth nag-remain siya sa lalaki. So that's why Camiña. Ang walls is made of limestone.
Ah, yes. Oo nga, Balay.
Nagalina siya sa likod sa balay. Kasi ang river nga na, connected na siya sa esplanade.
And it's open to the public since 2011 pa lang.
Amon nga buffet table, so dali naman nga amon nga foods kung meron kami nga reservation.
Ah.
Long foods na siya. So,
How much naman?
500 per person, minimum of 10, and then 2 days before ang reservation.
Ah, wow.
Sige, dali ka na. Sige, please take your seat. And then na-serve na ng chocolate.
Oh, wow. So this is for us na?
Yes. So, chocolate espresso. Espresso means thick. Amo na siyang gina-serve sa mga ilustrado sa una. Kon imol, kaya sa una gina-serve sa English chocolate espresso. Chocolate aguada. Watery siya. Okay, enjoy ka mo.
Thank you. The way of drinking the chocolate is pinky up.
Hindi na kita sa chocolate.
Pinky up. So we're having chocolate espresso here at Balay Camiña. And Rams is taking a shot of his Instagrammable coffee. Instagrammable chocolate. Bye, Rams. For refill, please ring the bell. Refill. Super thick. For only 150 pesos with chocolate and one free refill as well. We had a wonderful time here at Camiña, Balay na Bato, here at Arevalo, Iloilo. It was a wonderful time, and see you once again in our next video for our next adventure. Bye-bye for now.